hello friends. What is the next big thing she's bringing to America? Now she'll be talking about post FUE micro scarring or micro dots, the hypopigmentation dots, the honeycomb dots, what a lot of these American young guys are worried about. They don't want, they can't keep their hair short, right?
Right.
Because it's visible. So she's going to tell something amazing regarding regenerative approach to reduction of post FUE micro dots, which you're bringing to Rockwall, Texas.
Yes, yes.
Yes, all yours, doctor.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. Thank you again for tuning in. Today, I want to talk about one of the side effects of FUE. A lot of the men that are getting these treatments have noticed that after having the procedure, they have scarring, these little micro dots that are like honeycomb appearances. They're unable to wear their hair short. They have to wear a hat and hide this. We have new technologies now to prevent that and to reduce it. We created a biotech cocktail that contains collagen granules, EGF, growth factors, exosomes, liquid PRF that's made from your own blood that we place after the procedure where we make these micro dots that scar. We put a scaffold over them to go into each little hole that prevents scarring, to reduce the time that it takes to heal so that you can actually wear your hair out. A lot of men don't want to wear their hair short in the back after having these procedures done because of the honeycomb appearance, the white dots that are there. This actually reduces that inflammation, reducing the scarring. Now you can wear your hair short.